Today we'll be looking at a forest themescape. We've already completed the hardscape. The tank is about 35 to 40 cm in terms of length. We've used power sand at the base. We've used Tropica aqua soil, and what we've used here is shrimp wood. We've attached it to lava rocks at the base. So in certain portions of the tank you will see a little bit of lava rocks. The shrimp wood, we have cut down shrimp wood at different lengths and we've done the setup. And today in terms of planting, we will be primarily looking at plants that don't grow too fast and too tall. So mainly our choice of plants are your dwarf variants like your broadleaf, and which will put out runners and spread out eventually, and some Staurogen repens at the back, which are slow growing plants. So let's get started. Spraying it down with water before we start our planting. Let the soil be nice and moist so it can hold down your plants. It's Jerome's favorite plant. So this is Staurogen repens that we are using. It's a stem plant. You can use it as your mid-ground plant, your foreground or your background plant. So it's actually a very versatile plant. Over here we're using it as a background plant because basically we don't want anything growing too tall. And it's a relatively slow plant to grow. So what we are looking at is some stems. This is your 10mm broadleaf. It's your carpeting plant. If they put out runners and they spread out, they're super easy to grow as well. Come up with ideas for scapes based on what we have at hand. And shrimp wood honestly is one of our favorite wood. We've named it shrimp wood, by the way. We don't know what it's actually called. Final outcome of the entire scape. We've completed the planting as well. Next task is going to be adding a black poster and we're going to be filling it up with water.